This laundry basket has been with us for quite some time when the handle broke. One of the handles broke. Thought of repairing it with the silicone tape which I had bought for waterproofing my antenna joints and also for DIY plumbing. This was suggested to me by VU2 THF on X platform. It is a meticulous job. You have to pull the strip very tightly and then only apply it, otherwise it will not hold it like that. That covering a polythene sheet has to be removed gradually each time you are turning it around, and you have to pull it as much as possible, maybe twice the original length, then only it will fit like that. It is a self-molding thing. As I was very keen to preserve this laundry basket, I kept on doing it very slowly and meticulously. Sometimes this strip would get twisted, and the moment it gets twisted, the sides will stick together and it is difficult to make it separate. But then with time you can perfect a technique for that. And I found that this was the terminal portion of the strip, so that roll also was there. I found that having the roll there, that is the bobbin or whatever we call that plastic piece, having it there was making it easier for me to take it through the handle so that it will not get stuck very much. Fortunately, this time I didn't have much problem, even though you can see sometimes I am fumbling as well. Now the work is almost complete, but you can see that it is not a very perfect alignment. There is some malalignment you can see. I am trying to make the alignment better by pressing it with hand. This is a self-healing type of material. If you press like that, it will get stuck there. Only thing, you should not be disturbing it soon. Took one more piece and applied it, and now I think it is fairly alright. I think it will hold. Now I will keep it for maybe one day without use, so that by tomorrow morning that should be good enough to handle the weight of a full laundry basket, or we'll keep it as standby as well.